Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 12th of June, 2025, our system has classified MicroStrategy Incorporated as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.48. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's expectations, achieving a gain of 0.66%. This results in an average return of 0.22% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is situated within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 34.58% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 15.18% to 63.81%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 79.23%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 36.24% to 195.64% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 520.76 and 1,130.10. Our latest daily update for MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline: Weaker technical forecast for MicroStrategy Incorporated as stock downgraded to strong sell candidate. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price decreased by 0.162% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, falling from $382.87 to $382.25. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.85%, ranging from a low of $377.40 to a high of $388.15. Although the price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 2.68% over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, trading volume decreased along with the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should align with stock movement. The trading volume fell by 1 million shares, resulting in a total of 8 million shares traded, valued at approximately $3.06 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $543, while the lowest was $102.40. Currently, the price is 29.6%, or $160.75, below the 52-week high of $543, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments surrounding MicroStrategy Incorporated, which trades under the ticker MSTR, indicate an increase in legal challenges that could significantly impact the company's stock price. Multiple law firms are soliciting investors to participate in class action lawsuits due to alleged securities fraud linked to substantial losses during the defined class period from April 30th, 2024 to April 4th, 2025. These lawsuits suggest that shareholders, particularly those who have incurred losses exceeding $100,000, are being encouraged to seek legal recourse. The involvement of several firms, including Levi and Korsinski and Pomerantz LLP, emphasizes the seriousness of the situation and reflects a broader trend of shareholder activism in response to perceived misconduct by company officials. In the short term, the announcement of these class actions may lead to volatility in MSTR's stock price as investors react to the potential liabilities and legal ramifications facing the company. Uncertainty surrounding the outcomes of these lawsuits could deter new investors while prompting existing shareholders to rethink their positions. Long-term repercussions could be even more significant. If the class actions succeed, MSTR may face substantial financial penalties that could affect its operational capabilities and investor confidence. Additionally, A tarnished reputation and possible changes in leadership might further hinder the company's recovery efforts. Overall, MSTR's current legal battles are a critical factor for potential investors to consider with a prudent eye on both immediate and future market conditions. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned MSTR a buy rating while maintaining a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Cantor Fitzgerald gave MSTR a hold rating with a hold action. Additionally, on that Monday, Barclays provided MSTR with a hold rating and a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, UBS reported a buy rating for MSTR along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, BTIG reported a buy rating for MSTR with a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is also rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio shares the same strong sell assessment. In terms of return on investment, the analysts maintain a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the short-term development of the stock. MicroStrategy Incorporated currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, contributing to a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. If there are upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $384.25 and $389.03. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 9.34%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume should typically follow price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 24 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 14 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages points to a buy signal from 11 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average has a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 31 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss from MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $343.03 and $296.86. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $343.03. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $296.86 and $293.61. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $10.75 between high and low, or 2.85%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 3.37%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let us briefly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This significant metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and raise concerns regarding bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -12 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $402.69. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $343.03. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of June 2025, Pat and Jared L. conducted an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of Series A Perpetual Stride preferred stock. On the 5th of June 2025, Montgomery Janine made an insider purchase of 1,140 shares of Class A common stock. On the 5th of June 2025, Montgomery Janine also conducted an insider sale of 1 share of Class A common stock. On the 6th of June 2025, Montgomery Janine sold 24 shares of Class A common stock. On the 6th of June 2025, Montgomery Janine sold 28 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -7.326. In total, insiders purchased 108,794 shares and sold 126,243 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? Currently, the stock of MicroStrategy Incorporated exhibits several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that MicroStrategy Incorporated will struggle in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 17th of June, we predict that MicroStrategy Incorporated will open higher by 351 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $382.60. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.